Hey buds! Groceries are expensive right now, so instead of buying kale at the grocery store to make your favorite crispy snack, why not try switching it up for something that you can find free in your backyard? Plantain kind of thrives in harsh conditions and likes disturbed soils, so you can find it just about anywhere. It has these sort of spoon-shaped leaves and a tough parallel vein on the back side. And it is edible and includes calcium as well as those AC vitamins, A, C, and K. But it isn't the green that most foragers would tend to pick first. And for that reason, you probably want to stick to the nice, young, tender leaves. So let's gather up a bunch and see if we can make a tasty snack out of them. So fun fact, some people think if you crush a plantain leaf and get those oils released or whatever plant juices they are, and you smell them, that they actually smell like mushrooms. So we were just testing this out and we have to agree they do, though Charles thinks they have a bit of a sweet note to them too. So even if you don't try our snack, if you see plantain, you could always pull out a leaf and do a sniff test and see if you agree with us. So first we need to mix up our flavoring. Today we are going to use a teaspoon of miso paste, like that. A teaspoon of either soy sauce or tamari. And a tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil. So that could be canola, could be sesame, would add a nice flavor, or olive oil, whatever you like. Whisk that together. And then taking your plantain leaves, make sure that if you wash them that they're nice and dry so that they can absorb this flavoring, and we will drizzle that on and then massage it in with our hands. Okay. Make sure that they're all nice and coated. And then we're going to use a baking sheet with a piece of parchment on it and just lay out our coated leaves, giving them a bit of space. And if you liked, you can also try putting a few sesame seeds on there. I'll try it on a few and see how that goes. So now we're just going to pop them in the oven at 300 degrees for a few minutes at a time until they're nice and crispy. The size and thickness, of course, are going to change your cooking times. Check on them often so you don't burn them. So we have ourselves some crispy plantain leaves. Let them cool a little bit and then we'll see how they taste. All right, the first tasting of plantain chips. Let's see how they score. They sound crunchy.
I would say 4 out of 5 ravenous squirrels. Pretty good.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Would eat again?
Definitely.
Excellent. Thank you, brave tester.
You're welcome.
So you can eat the plantain chips as just a snack or crumble them on top of things like rice, mashed potatoes, or whatever else you'd like. Enjoy.